here it is, what, 5 days, a week later, whatever. I'm by the lake, US 129. Last time I came through here, I hadn't seen a cop all day. And the last place I expect to see one is here. But today I have seen nothing but police. So I would assume there's going to be at least one up here on Deal Scout. Just a heads up, Monroe County, I ran across a BMW RT with a Monroe County deputy sheriff sitting on top of it. So now I'm pretty sure they have 2 Harleys, a BMW GS and a BMW RT. So have fun in Monroe County. They are taking all the fun out of sport bike riding in the mountains. Just way too many cops at this point. It's no longer about safety, it's about revenue. But I'm on my Y2K VFR today. She's going to turn 26 this year. This is not the bike to break any land speed records on, so I'm not going to be slaying the dragon too quickly on this beast. I was on my 848 the other day, and that thing's right at 400 pounds full of fluids. And I'm here to tell you, when you step off a 400-pound motorcycle and get on a 550-pound motorcycle, there is a difference. Riding a 26-year-old VFR, it's like riding a bike 2 up. But she's been good to me over the years. I'm gonna have to say, 0 problems with this bike. Yeah, I can't believe there's not a cop sitting right here in this turn. Nobody's flashed their lights at me or warned me that there's a cop, but oof, I don't trust anybody too nowadays. People don't have the etiquette like they used to back in the day. Nobody flashes their lights. Nobody taps their helmet. I guess not nobody, because I do it. I'm 100% sure the guys I ride with, they don't do it. They're not going to give you a heads up. They're the same guys that are going to laugh at you when you get your ticket. They're going to laugh at you and just go, oh, it sucks. The road is nice and clean so far, though. When I came through the other day, it was damp. I was kind of expecting it to be damp this morning because Everywhere else I've been, it got rain last night. I'm just hoping to make it home before it rains today. And I couldn't narrate my last video coming through here, but this is what it looks like without leaves on the trees. This time next week, there's going to be leaves on all these trees. You mark my words. It's going to be different in the next 2-3 weeks. What I ought to do is come out here and do a video every day and stitch them all together so you can see the road transition from no leaves to leaves. That would be pretty cool, wouldn't it? That seems like a lot of work. I wouldn't wait for me to do that. This is a big bike. I really got to pay attention to what I'm doing on this bike. It is not like flicking a monster around on here, on this little road. I guess all the photographers are out today. The Deals Gap store was open yesterday when I was up there. Not yesterday. Was it yesterday? 2 days ago. 3 days ago. Wednesday. Here's 129 Slayer. If I'm buying photos from anybody, it'll be Slayer 129, 129slayer.com.